Good morning, boys and girls. So we are back on the beautiful pink Cadillac. I love this car. So we're going to try and get the wiring to do the speakers. And I was like, okay, well, let me get a jump start on this and start getting everything separated and ready to go so I can hook the speakers up. So you boys and girls ready? Y'all see the holes? And the non-existent wiring on the speakers? Yeah. So it needs speakers as well. Just wow. That one doesn't look anywhere near as bad. And the non-existent wires on these as well. You gotta love it. You just got to. But, okay, everybody. Just wanted to give you guys a quick update before I start ripping a car apart. And we'll let the owners know that it needs speakers as well. Alrighty. We'll see you guys on the next one.